Yet, an airframe is only as good as the heart that beats within it, and the heart of the Me-262 was plagued by a profound, agonizing engineering crisis. The aircraft was designed to utilize the revolutionary axial flow jet engines developed by Junkers, the Jumo 004. Unlike centrifugal engines, which sloshed air outward, the axial flow design compressed air in a straight line through successive rows of spinning blades. It was a vastly superior concept for high-speed flight, but it was a metallurgical nightmare. The internal temperatures of the engine combustion chambers were so intensely hot that they pushed the boundaries of known science. The turbine blades, spinning at over 8,000 revolutions per minute, were subjected to centrifugal forces and thermal stresses that would stretch, warp, and melt standard aviation metals. The structural birth pains of the Stormbird were compounded by an ever-growing friction between the engineers and the high command. While Messerschmitt's team begged for patience to refine the delicate metallurgy of the engines and the complex hydraulic systems required for the tricycle landing gear, the Reich's leadership viewed the project through a lens of desperate impatience. The Jumo 004 engines were constantly delayed, suffering from severe vibrational failures, compressor stalls, and a catastrophic lack of reliable heat-resistant materials. Every component of the aircraft had to be invented from scratch, from the specialized self-sealing fuel tanks that held the volatile synthetic kerosene to the heavy-gauge aluminum skin that had to withstand immense aerodynamic pressures. In those cold, stressful drafting rooms, the engineers knew they were creating a masterpiece, but they were also realizing that they were building a machine at the absolute edge of human capability, a weapon whose brilliant design was constantly threatened by the harsh realities of industrial friction and material scarcity.
By April 1941, the sleek, shark-like aluminum fuselage of the Messerschmitt prototype stood fully assembled inside a secured hangar, looking like a visitor from a distant future. Yet a bitter irony hung over the entire facility. The revolutionary airframe was completely ready, but its revolutionary heart was nowhere to be found. The Junkers Jumo 004 axial flow jet engines were trapped in a seemingly endless cycle of manufacturing delays, metallurgical failures, and design redesigns. The Reich's high command was growing increasingly impatient with this expensive gamble, and the engineering team faced a grim reality. They needed to test the aerodynamics, control surfaces, and structural integrity of this radical new airframe immediately, even if they had to do it without a single watt of jet propulsion.